Question 3. Renee buys 5 kilograms of sweets to sell. She pays £10 for the sweets. Renee puts all the sweets into bags. She puts 250 grams of sweets into each bag, and she sells each bag of sweets for 65p. Renee sells all the bags of sweets. Work out her percentage profit. Okay, one of the things that's key for this question is that you know the formula for percentage profit. There are other ways of working this question out, but knowing this method will make this question far more accessible. Now, percentage profit is the difference divided by the original. Okay, so we're going to have the original cost, and we're going to work out the difference between that original cost and her profit, and then times it by 100 to make it into a percentage. So she buys 5 kilograms of sweets and pays £10. So in a minute I'm going to divide by 10, because I have to divide by the original cost, which was £10. I need to work out her profit. In order to do that, I'm going to work out how many bags of sweets she actually sells. So 250 grams, 5 kilograms, just make sure we get our units correct, is 5,000 grams. And if I divide that by 250 grams, so 4 250s are in 1,000, that means she's going to have 20 bags to sell. Once you've worked out this sum, you have one of the 4 marks. There are other ways of getting the first mark, but that's probably the most common one. Then each of these 20 bags are sold at 65p each, or £0.65. Writing that sum picks you up the second mark. So notice we haven't had to work it out, we are just writing the sum. 10 times 65p is £6.50, so 20 times 65p will be 2 lots of £6.50, so that comes in at £13. Now, here's where my formula becomes very useful. The difference between 13 and the original 10, I could even write it out longhand, is obviously going to be 3. Having this formula written out gets you the third mark, and then working it out gets you the fourth mark. So 13 take 10 is 3. 3/10 times 100 is 30%, which picks you up the fourth mark. There were other ways of picking up those marks, but I hope that way was clear and helps you understand what's going on. Don't forget, please subscribe if you're finding these videos useful.